Welcome to Make It Play. I'm Michael. Well, I've finally done it. It took me a couple years to finally commit, but I finally bought myself a 3D printer. I got an Ender 3 Pro. It took about 2 hours to assemble it, about another hour or so to get the bed level. And that's probably just because I didn't know what I was doing. I'm sure from the videos I watch online, it seems like you can level the bed much faster than what I was able to achieve. Top is the instructions. We'll throw those off to the side. Who needs instructions? Those YouTube videos tell you how to do this stuff. And we've got the controller screen for the printer. And then extruded aluminum rails, both the top of the printer and for the X-axis. And then here's the motor that controls the Z-axis, as well as pushing the PLA extrusion into the extruder. Then down the side is the power supply for the printer, which is a little bit of a struggle to get out of the foam. It's fits in there quite tightly. And then the main unit of the printer, which is the printing plate and the Y-axis, as well as the controller board and the print head, which is already attached. Then on the second layer of foam underneath, we've got the power cord, we've got our X-axis motor, we have our aluminum rails for the vertical rails, we have our spindle spool holder, we've got a bag of PLA, as well as a bag that has all of our screws, nuts and bolts, and our tools to assemble it with. And it comes with a scraper, and that is our wheels for the X-axis. And that's it. It's everything in the box. Now we'll lay all the parts out here so we can see everything that came in it. If you're still watching this video at this point, you're awesome. I appreciate you watching my videos. I gotta tell you, you may not have noticed, but I didn't get a video out the past 2 weeks. And it's because I've been editing this video for 2 weeks and just really been unmotivated to actually finish this video. Kind of like how the intro all worked out. As I keep adding more of the footage of the actual building of the printer, it just really seems boring. I mean, and really, you want to see my video of me building this printer. There's like thousands of these videos out on YouTube, and they're much better than this to see how this printer is assembled and put together. So I'm thinking I'm not going to bore you with that. I'd much rather just get this video out there and move on to my next projects. But I don't really want to shortchange on this video, but the reality of it is I'm not adding a whole lot of value in this video other than showing you that, hey, I got a printer. And all I can tell you is it's an awesome printer. I really was surprised at how easy it was to set up and do the first print. And now I've printed 3 or 4 projects already, and they've all come out really well. One of the reasons I was actually holding off on getting a 3D printer is because I really felt like I would be disappointed or let down when I bought one, because it would be a pain to actually get it to work, or the prints wouldn't come out very well, and just it'd be a frustrating experience. And I'm glad to say that has not been the case with this. It's a reasonably priced printer. I mean, it's under $300, and it works so well just right out of the box that I was actually pleasantly surprised. And it's few and far between when you actually have an opportunity where you buy something and you're that excited and pleased with the results of it. So I would recommend, if you want to get a 3D printer, this is a great printer to go get. Now, with that all being said, I'll go ahead and run a quick montage of just finishing up the assembly so you can see how that goes. I will tell you that leveling of the printer was a little bit of a chore, but it actually turned out to be easier than I thought. Go look at, I'll put a link down below to, there's a YouTube channel called CHEP, that CHEP, that he does a lot of great videos and on how to use a 3D printer and how to level it. So I'll link to that so you can use his video to do it like I did. And also, I wish I had known this before I started, but on the SD card that comes with this printer, there's actually a video on how to assemble it from the manufacturer. I did not see that anywhere in the instructions for printing material and just happened to stumble upon that after I'd already finished assembling the printer. That would have been nice to know before I started, because that would have helped out as well. Again, appreciate you watching my videos. If you're so inclined, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment or something down below just to let me know you watched this video and give me some feedback. Plus, you interacting with the video like that helps the YouTube algorithm know that this video is worth watching, and it will suggest it to other people, which will help my channel grow. And helping my channel grow then helps me get more motivated to continue doing this, because I really enjoy doing the projects. I actually do enjoy editing the videos to some extent, but it's nice to get some sort of feedback, because right now, a lot of these videos, it's very one way. I'm doing stuff, putting it out there, but you don't get a whole lot of feedback coming back, and it really would be nice to have some interaction or build some community around this channel. So again, thanks for watching the videos, and I will see you in my next video after you see this montage of me finishing building this video. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.